In this video, I will tell you about USDT mining website. So in this site, you can earn lots of USDT by the cloud mining and innocent. So guys, first of all, sign up your account. So first of all, enter email, then enter login password, enter my invite code. Then click on the sign up now. After sign up your account, then you will see the interface and you can see the latest announcer of the website and you can see all the details of the company. You can see in the first BIP if you invest 8 USDT, then you can daily earn 1.1 USDT commissions, and in the second BIP if you deposit 45 USDT, then you can daily earn 6.4 USDT commissions, and in the third BIP if you deposit 185 USDT, then you can daily withdraw 26.2 USDT commissions, and in the third BIP, fourth BIP if you deposit with the 565 USDT, you can daily withdraw approximately 82 USDT commissions, and in the fourth BIP if you deposit the 1,555 USDT, then you can daily withdraw 227 USDT commission. Means in this side, if you reach the high amount, you can get high commission. In this side, you can daily earn minimum to 50% daily commission. So and now click on the confirm. Then you can see click on the mine. Then guys, now I will tell you how to reach it. Now click on the okay. Then guys, now copy this address. Then open your wallet. Now paste your address. Then click on the send button. So guys, I am with the 8 USDT. Now guys, after transferring, click on the recharge submit, then your amount will be added in the website. So you can see my account is already with the 1,555 USD. Now first bar click on the increment page, then guys you can see my account already which is the 1,055 USD. Okay, so guys now come back on the here, then guys click on the join now and you can see my BIP1 is my BIP is successfully updated. Now click on the mission. Then guys click on the activations. Okay, then guys you will be get daily 2 tasks. Okay, so you can see my 1 task is completed. You can see on the screen today earning is 227 USD. Okay, now I will tell you how to withdraw commission. Now come back on the withdrawal page, and guys first of all find your address. Okay, now enter address and then enter transaction password. Now come back on the withdrawal page, and you can see at this time 227 USD for the withdrawals. So now enter amount and enter transaction password. You can see on the screen withdrawal is just successfully completed. After receiving in my board, I will show the proof. Now I will tell you how to get invite. Now click on the team. So first of all copy invite link, then share with friend. Okay, you can see in the first level you will get 10% commissions, and in the level 2 you will get 5% commissions, and the level 3 you will get 2% commissions. Okay, and you can see all the details of the team like team size, team roles, new team, first time withdrawal, and today earning, yesterday earning, all the information you can see here. So guys, I completed explain about this. So guys, if you want to join, you can sign up. Here comes the link, and you can earn lots of USDT in this site. You can see all the records here like deposit record, withdrawal record, download app, withdrawal method, investment record, and modify password, security password, and you can see lucky spin also here. When you click on the lucky spin, then you can see invest and to recharge every time 45 USD and get a chance. Okay, now come back on the here, then guys you can see many details about the company like who is the partner of the company and company information like Bombay Group is a multinational food company headquartered in Mexico City with operation in more than 33 countries in Europe, Asia, Africa, and the America. It has 134,000 employees and 3 million sales location more. Okay, and you can see memory list also you can see here. And guys, when you click on the quantification increment, then you can see all the increment details are here. Okay, you can see I already on the level 5, and guys in this side if you reach the high amount, then you can get high commissions. When you click on the mission, then guys you can complete the mission in the here. Okay, and now I will tell you about the referral program. Now click on the team. So guys, when you invite your friend, you can get commissions. Okay, and you can see all the team like today earnings and yesterday earning, last 7 days earning, and this month earning. So all information you can see here. Okay, guys, now click on the most profitable job platform in 22. You can see Bombay Group, the most profitable platform in the 24, earning is 4,000 555 per day. Click on the details. Then you can see all the details here. You can see get 360 days of the work benefit for personal investment. Get BIP 5 for free by inviting members. Commissions for deployed of team member and commission is 15%. Okay. Exclusive 24-hour performance reward for the team leaders. If the invitation report reach 550 USD, you can participate in the first, okay, on the rotating lottery with a quota of the 0.8 to 888 USD with a winning rate of a 100% chance. Okay, and you can see all the investment plan details here. Not unlimited upgrade every day. For example, after completing BM1, you can get 1.1 USD to 6.4 USD on the same day of upgrading to BIP2, and so on. Withdraw money once a day, no time limit, 1 minute of to the account, zero fees, minimum withdrawal is 1 USD, no upper limit. Join Bombay Group and withdraw income every day with zero result. So you can see all data here. Okay, when you click on this date, you can see all the details of the company. Guys, I completed X and so guys, if you want to join, sign up. You can the link and you can earn lots of students in this site.